Good morning everyone. So today, as you've seen the title of the video, how to make homemade stickers. Let's get started. So first I'll tell you what items you need to make them. First of all, you need scissors, cello tape, double-sided tape, a photo of which you'll make the sticker, and a plastic which can cover the front side of the photo. So let's get started. So first of all, we need the piece of plastic that will cover the photo and sellotape. So first we need to cover the photo like this with plastic, and if there's any remaining outside, you can fold it up behind like me. Then you have to use the scissors. After folding it, you have to use the scissors. Take the scissors and put it on top of it. Then take a piece of sellotape and apply it so that the plastic doesn't keep going off. Do this on the top side too. This will help to keep the plastic in its place. Then it's time for the scissors. Take the plastic and cut the part that's extra. After you've done cutting the extra, it's time for the double-sided tape. Take the double-sided tape and cut out a very small piece. Cut out a very small piece and put it on the back side of the paper. Your homemade sticker is ready. Here, the sticker, and whenever you want to use it, just turn the back side, take off this yellow paper on the double-sided tape and stick it. Bye guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.